Okay, it is around 2 p.m. Welcome to the weather update. It's March 20th, 2020, and big variability with the weather across the area today. Central Park is reporting 62 degrees, so not that warm in the city, but the sun has started to come out. 58, mostly cloudy. On at Farmingdale, the dew point is 50, and if we, Long Island's generally in the 50s, but that is going to change. We have a warm front moving through. Here's the radar. A couple of really light showers, and then after that, the sun is probably going to break through because it has in New Jersey, and it is a lot hotter in New Jersey as a result of that. So Mount Holly is reporting 75. If we go and we look at Toms River, 77. I think they might make a run at 80. Actually, the forecast says they're going to hit 80 today, which is absolutely insane. Dew point 63, so it's a little humid out there. And if we go and we look at, let's see what the high. So the high was 77. It might go and hit 80 at Toms River today. Very possible. It very well might. Let's see what Monmouth has. 75. Southwest wind 12, gusting at 21, but it's a warm breeze. See that dew point 63. So very muggy over New Jersey. We're not experiencing that on Long Island yet. We might not. We'll have to see how it goes. Looking at some of the this is a map of the observations across the area. You can see some wind advisories in effect for up to the north and the west of us there over by the lakes. And you can see here on this map, you can see Long Island's observations are mainly in the 50s. And then if you go look at Jersey, you can see, look at that. They have 70s, 78 being reported in Ocean County. Oh, we do have an 80-degree reading here. Here's an 80-degree reading at this site in New Jersey. This is at New Gretna. So Atlantic City is reporting 78. So very warm conditions, very unusual. This is mostly over New Jersey that we're seeing this. For Long Island, we're not seeing that yet. New York City is not seeing that yet. But New Jersey is baking today. Let me go look at Atlantic City now because I'm curious to see. 78. This is like a summertime day here in Atlantic City. 78 degrees, 61 is the dew point. Absolutely insane for March. I don't think I could ever recall it being that warm anywhere. Fortunately, that's not us. Or unfortunately, if you happen to like that kind of weather. Let's look at some of the observations here on the underground site, which updates a little fast. You can see some parts of Long Island now starting to get into the 60s, especially Nassau County. As the rain ends, you can see here's Jersey, well into the upper 70s. And if we switch this over to the dew points, you will see here the dew points on Long Island are in the 50s. And Jersey, they're experiencing summertime dew points in the 60s. So pretty insane stuff that we're dealing with across the area, across parts of our area today, with this warmth that we are dealing with. Looking at the radar here, you will see this is the wider view of the radar. You will see that we do have that little light shower activity, and then there's some other. These are some other showers and thunderstorms that'll probably move into the area after 6 o'clock tonight. Probably they might weaken when they hit the cooler marine air, but in New Jersey, you're most likely seeing that because again, this is where it's warmer. This is where you have the differential. So let's look at the models. We're again just looking at this weekend here. We're going to first start off with the NAM 12 kilometer. So you'll see here there's the rain. Pretty much the NAM brings a little light stuff in. It really doesn't really bring much rain in at all into the area. And then the MAR, we try to clear it out with this extremely slow-moving front offshore as the high builds to the north. And then the next system approaches from Monday, and that's going to be a pretty wet day. And look at that. It might even snow north of the area. That we're going to have to keep an eye on. We'll have to keep an eye on that for sure. But more immediately, we have the chances of showers and thunderstorms tonight. But this is the NAM, the view on the NAM here with this, and it's very isolated. It might be, like I said, right around 7 o'clock, stuff will start developing, and then it moves away, and then we have a more improvement going on. Let's go and look at some of the other models. Let's go and look at the HDRPS, which is another model I like to use for convection. So this is around, yeah, around that time frame, around that 7 o'clock time frame, we might get some rain showers moving in, but it shouldn't last for very long. The next thing we deal with, obviously, the temperatures. Obviously, um, we're going to look at the NAM 12 kilometer for that. Temperatures, because this updates more frequently than the GFS, and you will see here it has that heat over Jersey, but we don't really quite get into the heat here on Long Island. We get a little taste of it, maybe close to 70 in Nassau County, but the worst of it's in Jersey, and then that heat is done with. And then we cool down for Saturday, and we will be in the mid and upper 40s. And then Sunday will be even colder, with mid 40s. So it will be a much cooler situation. And then if we want to go beyond that, well, I'm just talking about the weekend, so I'm not going past the weekend at this point. Sunday, you see mid 40s. The next question, of course, is the sky cover. When are we going to see some nice blue skies again? So let's go first look at the sky cover on the GFS, the sky cover forecast on this, and you will see this front is really slow to clear the area. According to the GFS, we wouldn't clear out until late afternoon. And then the Sunday, we got to worry about this deck of clouds moving in off the ocean. So that's the thing. We'll have to worry about that on Sunday, and then we really cloud up on Monday. And like I said, I don't want to go beyond that. Let's go look at the NAM. We'll use the NAM 3 kilometer for that, because I will be doing another weather update tonight, so I'm probably just wasting time here talking about this. But, you know, it's important to show the differences between the models. The NAM's a little more encouraging that we'll have sunshine in the afternoon for Long Island, but still we got to worry about that deck of clouds that might roll in on us for Sunday with that northeasterly flow. Depending on how much of an easterly component there is, will depend on that. I'll also look at the RGEM as well. RGEM, again, has a similar idea that it will clear it out. Actually, clears it out over, clears out the afternoon for us. So that would be great if that would happen, at least, you know, because we do have plenty of light now in the afternoon. Let's go to windy.com and let's look at the Euro's interpretation of this, of the sky cover situation for tomorrow, and we'll go to that. So 10 a.m. We'll start at 10 a.m. Euro's already clearing us out at 10 a.m. So that's good. So maybe it will clear out by then. And if we go to 1 p.m., we're mostly clear here, but there is another area of clouds that seems to want to pop up over there. And then here is 3 p.m. We're completely clear at this point. 8 p.m. we're completely clear. Let's look at Sunday. Sunday we do have those clouds that we're going to have to watch that might be moving in off the ocean. But for now, we're going to just watch those temperatures increase. Let me just show you the satellite, and then we're going to wrap up this weather up to show you where the sun is coming out. You can see that there's a little more sun over New Jersey. Not that much more, though. But as these showers move out of the picture right now, we will see. Let's look at the radar one more time here from the Upton office. You'll see just some really light showers, and then we're going to be done with it. And maybe, like I said, a slight chance. The next wave of rain is over in central Pennsylvania, and that probably won't get here until after 6 o'clock. So I'll have another weather update later. Take care.